What's up, everyone? Hope everything's working on the audio and all that. So I'm gonna turn that just a little bit. Oh, yeah, it wasn't even turned on. So that should be better. That's the right one? Yeah, I think so. Hope so. Yeah. So here we are in another day of screwing with stuff that's broken. Mainly Nick's. So Nick's 6SV6. Several different things. One, front diff's making noise. He's been playing a steering rack. Mike, what up? Bottom left cam upside down. No, it's sideways though. That's just the way that camera sits because of the way it's out. Like that's rotating on its axis. I can flip it. Hold on a second. Let me try this. See what you think. All right. So which one is that going to be? Is that going to be? Yeah, it's going to be number 3. Okay. So. Flip it horizontally or vertically? Oh, I can't see what you're saying now. So. How's that? Is that better? Okay, cool. Yeah, any one of these cams, I can flip horizontally, vertically. I can rotate them. Yeah. Well, I hope that's better when I bring it in. I just have it way up high right now because I usually don't. I want to start the video that way. So Nick's a little beastie here. One thing I wanted to do was bolt another fan to it, but I don't think this fan. I don't know, that bolt pattern is right. Alright, now I was going to use some O-rings, of course, so I don't break, because Nick doesn't know how to do that. But he doesn't have any wiring in here, except for this thing. So, and that's not even connected to his main fan. Oh boy. So he needs 2 fans wired in, and also the fan for the car, I guess. Yeah. Thanks, Nick. Let's see what we got lying around here. Let's see if that fan even works in the first place, actually. Oh, that's a big ass crash. I forgot about that. Here's a connector. Ow, come here. There we go. Well, this doesn't have a connector. Well, I know this one's bad too, so. Oh, and I know this one's bad for sure. Oops. Scissors are not made for that. Alright, so I guess real quickly here we'll make it like a test setup. Right, we're only going to need these 2. Pull the wire off. Don't need the white wire, just the black and the red. This thing is pretty nasty. No, I have to back something on this side. Cool. Yeah, I didn't want it to look unnatural. It's so high compared to how I usually have it. It's the only real big difference there. There we go. Get those unneeded wires out of the way. course, we don't have the connector for that little douche connector he's got in there. Because that's only designed for that one fan. So that kind of kills everything else. So we have to wire that out. This needs to go away. It's irritating me. Alright. That's only designed to be wired that one fan. You know what? I'm not even going to rewire all this unless he's going to actually do it up. I'm just going to give him a fan connection for his actual fan since he doesn't have one right now. So I'm going to do like a male to male and add this to. Hey, Brody, welcome back. So let's get this started here. Before anything else, get the soldering iron getting hot. And then we'll get back onto this center diff issue. Actually, I need parts out of that thing. Hi, Brody. You know the drill, you. Brody, no, I didn't call you to come over. Okay, so anyway, bring this in over. Actually working here. Right. Yeah, the wires are pinched anyway, so. Why is it like 20 wires in there? Okay, why is your steering throttle and what is this? Oh! Where did that go? That got ripped out. Okay. That's custom. Sure. Get that edge off of there. They always leave when you cut them off. That should be black and red, just like that. Yep. All right. So we'll wire this out to meet that, and then we gotta figure out which way that's gotta go anyway. But it definitely doesn't need to be that long. Nor will this, so we can cut that down a little bit. No. So this time you're going to the other extreme. There we go. So. If the model stays put when the wind just starts, then their design is stable. But any deviation, it's back to the drawing board. All right, set. This is going to be positive and negative too, so. So this is negative on the far side here. So I'm only going to open up the negative now on this so that I don't get them mixed up, because I hate when that happens. So yeah, just a little more. There you go. So there's that. And then this. Mm-hmm. This way. That doesn't look like a very good trim there. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Alright, and do I actually have any shrink wrap lying around? I think I do. I might. Oh, yep, sure do. Alright. Well, that's enough for one side, I guess. So, your negative all set up with these. However you twist your wires, I don't know. And I never twist wires like this in real life, but with RC cars, these little tiny things just kill me. So I always do it like this. This is just, it works. Yeah, dude, that's insane, dude. I mean, that was like, I thought you had to change the motor and ESC. That thing, I mean, you got so much more RPM out of that. And same battery, same pinions, same everything but the ESC. That's just nuts. That's just like one company is trying and one company just does not give a shit whatsoever. Like, here's your toy, have fun. You know, like, it's just, oh shit, where in the hell is my solder at? Row. Not good. Not good. No, that's not good. Yeah, sure. No, I just did some soldering the other night. It can't be far. No, it's got to be close by. There's no damn way. That's right. I was using the big ass iron for something. Roy, stop. Where was shit? Oh well, my shrink wrap's down here. But you don't even need much. You just need to do that a little bit. It's the problem with cleaning stuff up. You can't find shit. Nice. Yeah, we're definitely coming down to that battery thing. I gotta get on that. Get some kind of deal going on with SMC or whatever. I'm thinking like if we can get together by 4, if things start picking up. You're nowhere near that now, but. Thermoset tape, Teflon tape, electrical tape, solder. Goddamn gorilla glue up here. All right. I don't know I was going to do this. I would have found this shit earlier, but I stumbled upon it as soon as I looked at it. So goddamn unprofessional. Better not be there. Yeah. All right. Well, this sucks. No damn idea what you're saying. I really don't have enough solder hanging up on nothing to do this. Well, we're going to put that one on hold for now. I literally cannot find my solder anywhere. It doesn't help the amount of shit I got laying around me, Brody. Well, I guess that's, yeah, we're going to have to put that one on hold because I literally can find no damn solder. For some reason. I have no idea, man. I know I had it out the other day because I was using it for that big job, but seriously, what is all this crap? hell? Okay, whatever, Brutus. Oh, great. Bringing his animals in and out. Alright. That really is pretty odd. Whole roll of solder. Just figured. Alright. So much for that shit. Literally, where do we think? Alright. So we'll have to put that one on the back burner for now. I'll get Nick wired up a little doodad for him later. Maybe I'll pick my solder up at work when I go out. It's nothing more. Alright. So, back to all the other stuff in this car. Front disk's blown out, so let's stick with that, see what's going on there. Not blown out, but it's starting to click. And Nick doesn't really beat it hard enough to click it, so let's see what's up with that. The hell is going on with this screws in the puppet? Sorry about that. I hate when I knock that thing. This is when I'm getting close, huh? Really? Okay. I did move that, didn't I? Sorry. There's that feels really tight. That feels a little slight. Yeah. It's got some wiggle to it, but it does have a flat spot. That's it. Nope. That's it. That's it right there. See that? I don't know if you guys see that. You see that hub there spinning? The other one isn't? That's busted out drive. Nick done snapped his own out drive for once. Good job, buddy. Welcome to the club. Must have put some torque on that thing. I'm sure he landed on throttle or some shit. So next we gotta do what? Another diff rebuild. Oh my god. Oh man. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright, here we go. Alright, flat this thing out from here. To break a pin? Well, we don't know if it's a pin yet or an out drive. Could be either or. But I guess I could see that breaking a pin, not an out drive though. Ugh. Oh wait, haha, we have a new feature. It's called paper towels. Brody, you are just a menace. You know that? Freaking dogs are redecorating my bed. You are a menace. Oh, shit. Alright. A couple couple of these way down. Just look all professional and shit. Just keep some around in case we need them. Alright, so we're busted. Which side are we busted on? The other side? Yeah, we're busted on the good side. The side you want to take apart. Sticky. Well, that was cool. Couldn't do that again if I tried. Yeah, either the pin or the inside of the diff cup. Yeah, the shaft of the diff cup. But the output, not the input, right? I don't know if you call it that input or in drive, out drive, input, yoke, cup, whatever. This screen's a little dark. Let me brighten this one up a little bit. Yeah, that's the one. That's better. There we go. Let me see what I'm doing. Look a different level of tan there. I don't know. I've broken the shafts in half too, dude. Well, pins in one piece, the out drive's in one piece. Something else is going on here. Oh, come on. Yeah, that pin's not the right size, I can tell you that. I might have been hopping around on it. Either that or it's just worn down to shit, which I think would be weird. What in the hell do we have going on here? No. Alright, I'll put a new bearing on it. I wonder if we blew the axle. No, that's not the right pin. Just by a tiny bit, too. No, that's it. I'm on the way in. I'll push the hell out of it. Yeah. So, it's that one too. So we're good there. It's not that. Or if we just got to pull an axle. That seems good. Well, what the hell is going on here? Oh, these are quite worn. Yeah, those are a bit worn down more than usual. In fact, oh yeah, there we go. Shoot all the gears out of it. That's what it is. That one's might be usable, but that one's done. These little guys are all done. Yeah, you can see all the metal in there. There's our problem. Man, I haven't done that before. At least not in a long time. Alright, well. New biddies for Nick. Oh. Broken into two places at the pinhole. That's as bad as I've been. I haven't broken it in two places like on the outside. I've shattered good chunks out of them, but not completely like that. All right. Some more Nixon bearings here. You feel that laid out pretty good there, yeah. Shim disappeared. That's what's on that. Nope. That one. Alright. Yep. That's unfortunate. Alright, what we use? 5. Shit, 5. 5, there we go. Stay, you bastard. Bits and pieces. Hopefully that pin is alright. I won't change that right now. Oh shit. I don't think I have any crown gears. I need at least one. Yeah. Not seeing any crown gears. No, least. They are native in Africa. They are one of the largest birds known to fly. They weigh around 40 pounds. We don't have them here in North America. I even make them. So I have a bag of sand that weighs around 40 pounds. What I need to do is make it look a little bit more like the bird before we drop it on the limit. By recreating the world's heaviest flying bird, Tori's giving this myth a helping. All right. Do we have any crown gears that aren't being used right now? I hope so. Probably. Hallelujah. How about that? We got all kinds of parts in here you can put back. In fact, hell, let's throw 2 new crown gears in there. Alright. In just a second, take a break here real quick, guys. We'll be right back.
Personalized ornaments by Zoe, under $50. Handmade holiday accents, also under $50. And oh, custom stockings by Amy with free shipping. Well, what do you think? Thanks to fluorescent probiotics.
All right. What was that?
And a masterpiece in performance. Experience the peace of riding on the advanced treadmill line of the Bridgestone of Louisa Prestige.
All right. So, at least we get this one back together. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's gonna be a little thick. I'm gonna go with that.
This may or may not work with one bird itself. Case might be multiple. That's what I'm thinking about building like a bird chandelier. Hang many birds that hang from the crane right over the head, and then we'll have floats that go out. We are safety on the cliff and go one by one. Then you can see how many birds a day. Doesn't hurt a bit. That's the plan. Because red oxygen
Alright.
go over glass for the chandelier. It's worth highlighting that this is not overkill. After all, last time around, it took 140 pounds to tilt their teeter totter. So being ready for some reinforcements is definitely a good idea. Okay, so I finished the turkey chandelier. Got up to 40 turkeys off the hood of the car. 25 pounds apiece. That's up to 1,000 pounds of poultry. Here we go. Fire one.
There you go.
Fire two. Just like that. With their first
Wow.
turkey in tow,
My boy Nick and Kelly.
to New Mexico. They traveled in style. On this show. It's the perfect man for experiment. Well, New Mexico Tech maybe showed us supermodels, but the Flintstone Alex Carazon, it's ideal. Alright, as you know, the levels I played tomorrow was the death. That's what I mean. But this mid-course, like, we needed a clip, and we have to go to the this is 300 feet tall. We're gonna balance our limo at the edge.
Probably got a bit too much in there, I think.
The good news is that at least Tori won't be in the car very soon.
Right in the middle.
They can't risk losing it before they've even started. So first, you'll find its pivot point.
Then you're finding hard to pivot point. To do that, we have the teeter totter, which is the tight, rounded edge.
Oh yeah.
Find the center of mass and then the
Definitely a bit too much in there. I'm just gonna go everywhere.
Then we'll lift the teeter totter, put it on the ground. We'll find the tipping point off of a nice edge.
Alright, looks pretty good.
Somewhere between those two should be our perfect zone for tipping.
I believe it. Finally gonna run through your car. But what do? We throw it off the cliff. And to do just that, the car is first placed in one place, and then bounced on its predetermined tipping point.
Remember, this is all about trying to get over. The further you
There we
are
go.
focused, the easier it is for a small way to be able to flip that lever and basically tip our car off the cliff.
Indeed, the longer the lever, the less weight needed to
Let me
move.
get this out of here. There you go. We missed most of the holes there. Almost.
But will let Corey Buster get up to tip the balance?
Just turn. Lock in place. This should do it. Make sure we'll put that together. Without any contamination to the screws. Maybe a tiny bit. But
Yep, it's too late to back out now. As the four busters get hoisted into the danger zone.
All right. Get on there.
Landing on the front of the Toledo. Okay, here we go.
All right.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, since these screws weren't too bad coming out, I think I'll reuse them actually. Just a little fresh like that on there and call it a day.
Switch gears. Remember excavator exuberance? I do. We try drone, watch, things, and fun all based on YouTube videos. And that you do always. But
Yeah, just me and you here, buddy.
all that time and practice,
At the moment.
excavator life, we will come up with our own crazy things to do. Okay, I like that. But what if you did something counterintuitive like little things with different ones?
So now we know where the clicking was coming from. It's a new one by me. Last time I struck the diff with internal gears, it just spun all day and didn't click. Of course, Nick doesn't really drive these like we do. Right. And here we go. Last one.
See what we gotta do it. Jamie's in the hot seat first. Brandon here's got a problem. A little bit old. Over 300 and can't see very well. She's got socks to guard, but she can't thread the needle. The beautiful Branson team is going to help her in the only way he knows how. Guard pieces and text the dust middle machine. And put it down and code it in search of challenge. First off, the thing is so heavy that once you get it going, it's kind of hard to stop it. If you're talking like tiny fractions of it, stuff. And the second thing is it controls itself. Well, they're just not that solid.
Yeah, good on this side. All right, cool.
Whether they'll actually make those.
All right, so we've got. Some bolts for that. All right. All right. So.
Using a diesel-powered 38,000-pound hydraulic excavator, Jamie threaded a needle with surgical precision. Question is,
Just a tiny bit of slack, just the way I like it. All right, we'll go with that. Oh yeah, just enough left in here for one more. Yep. Crap. Yeah. Here. Yeah, it's too much, but.
once again, the Mythbusters do their my lineup back to level. Back this there. This time, using Adam's wire arm over the bar.
All right. Cover. And longer bolts on top. Short bolts on the bottom. There's the spinny one with no torque. I'll go ahead and put these in. Then we'll go back and tighten those to make sure they're good. Let that plastic cool off for a second in case it got hot. Come on. Thank you. All right. Should be solid. Your shocks back in. Little shock rock, guys. And that's it. Done. It's gonna go on the bumper spring. We need some fresh hardware for that because God knows what he had in here. It wasn't right. Yeah. All right. So it's good in there. Yeah, this has had my latest front end lock with longer shafts. So it's definitely a bit more jacked up. I'm sure it needs an alignment. It looks like way the hell out. This is loose. Good. Yeah, he's got a wing mount screw missing back here. It's kind of. It's not actually missing per se. You guys have started using the appropriate hardware for wing mount for hanging out with us yet. I'll show you what that is in just a second. Brody, we cut out. Alright, so terminal screws. And a couple for the bumper anyway. Alright. Definitely running out of a lot of stuff here. Alright. We're just going to stuff a 3 mil on the top of this thing. Might be a little difficult. There we go. And we get some of those old non-EXB crown gears for differentials that nobody's using anymore. And put a couple of them on top of the wing. You put your screws through it, and there's your 941 bashers freaking wing buttons. Ain't got nothing else to do for them, so screw it, right? There we go. Set. And now, bumper spring, of course. Right, I'm not a big fan of this. Just need to go. Alright. Once again, 3mm screws. Just run them in. They'll work.
It sure was both wet and how the all-important
Beefy! Alright. So, I think all we got left to do is his tires. And, well, that fan crap, but you can do that whenever, I guess. On this rig, anyway. Yeah, I mean, I'll solder all that crap up later. I guess I'll leave the tires off for now. And just stick it somewhere. Right. What did I need to look at on the spider? I can't remember. It's not fun. Change hubs and check gear mesh. Oh, right. I forgot I was stripping some of those damn old M2C ones. Nothing against anything M2C makes. They make amazing stuff. But these are really old M2C parts that have been used on many, many vehicles and have worn out over time. So they're needing to go. Oh, see what I mean? Yeah. I don't even know if I can get that off without just wasting that hub. Oh, shit. Alright, well, here's another one. Yeah. Unfortunately, it comes down to this sometimes. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we can on this one. Really? Alright. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to work. Yeah. Ooh. Really? Alright. Ooh. Yeah, this thing's a bastard. Alright. This is why I don't put wheels on hubs that have stripped out ends. When they're starting to bevel on the ends, just get rid of them. And I only put these on this thing to widen it up a little bit because I used to have them on my other truck and it was kind of cool. To make it even wider because of how it's set up, but this is not like it at all. This is just a nightmare. And you can see how flattened out they are on the ends. I mean, these are really done. I was just hoping. Because I think it's like, I don't know, 60 or 80 bucks for a set of those. I'm just going right against the top of the nut.
So what do you want to get? Oh, let's say we set up a small scale proof of concept. I can put together a little flame for a few minutes.
Nope. Snub. Again.
I'm not so sure they fire that far. Easier to figure out going downstairs. Throw the gauge and see how far it falls. Okay.
Alright.
So before you guys lay down some small scale flames, well, let's scale it up. You're going to check that a slightly 15-pound fire extinguisher has the one of the cook, and you know the required.
The only thing is, at this point, I don't have enough nuts to do a whole new set of these. So I'll have to get hubs or something. Yeah. I got hubs, I don't have enough nuts. Oh, you know what? I probably do if I go through the stuff that's in the go bag. Alright. Please be the last one I have to do this with. Out of all the cars. Today. Oh, yeah, got it. All right.
As it turns out, it's exceeded Alan's less than great expectations.
I wouldn't doubt it compared to the first version. I mean, no offense on the first version. It was just a little, I think it was just kind of premature. I think you needed some more testing and time with it, which is why you came out with a second version. I mean, obviously. I mean, that's cool. I mean, obviously, I've switched everything but this thing over to the new stuff, the new V6 setup, because that's a pretty solid deal. I haven't broken any of them yet. Well, one, but I didn't actually break it, so not my problem. that was Alan. But yeah, he busted that one up pretty good. But that one been hit before, so. Yeah, and these things have so many miles on them, they're pretty much cone shaped, to tell you the truth. Need to be changed for sure. So we'll just put some standard ones on there. Unfortunately, maybe if I send them back, show that they're worn out and we put a lot of mileage on them, they'll give me some new ones. Yeah, right.
I like that better than the alternative. So, small scale, Jamie, are looking to explore the concept of a
Those. Fine tune our nuts, we're good. Yeah, they are different threads, so there you go. That's why they don't mess it up. Come on, get on there. Is that one?
Alright guys, what do you got?
This one involves fast cars,
hell?
Are we testing the myth theory? Yes. This is the one where Leonardo DiCaprio is getting this monster files like that the fool the truck is kidnapped and thrown in their cars, driving
Yeah, bug in my head. What the fuck?
effectively blinding him.
Oh, this is awesome.
Alright, let's do it.
Silver Street. In the movie Body Lies, a band of highly organized SUV driving bad guys kidnapped by a movements from a high altitude spy drone. Manufactured by Motor Press Store, really blends state-of-the-art military technology.
But I got feeling this could possibly work. Have you ever driven on a dusty road recently? The car in front of you disappeared.
It's not the warm bus to us. This one was about some observing from the weapons.
Good news is you don't need a 5-year. I can make the same kind of pattern on the
Alright, there we go. 4 hubs. Done and dusted. So, the other big thing on this one was servo horn. Damn, servo screw came out. Either that or I just forgot to put one in there. I don't know. Because it kind of came out easily. Let me see if this will fit though. Oh yeah. That'll go all the way down there. Sounds like a plan to me. Yes, even on the servo. A little bit of red. And yeah, without centering, I know it's good because when it came off, I recentered it where it was and drove it, and it was in position. So but that whole damn servo is moving. Alright, I'm gonna do one on it.
Necessary to pull off the semi-blind driving that it requires. It's not required sharp concentration.
Yeah, that's the same chassis that went through the TV. In case anybody wants to know. It sure is. Yeah, that's plenty of steering.
That little snap you out of the way, the team gets underway.
There it is. And this thing definitely bent some shit in front, that's for sure. What is that whole switch over there? It's quite odd. We're gonna bump in the middle of the steering.
What could possibly go wrong?
With the paper supposedly simulating the visibility.
Cool, man. I'll check it out, dude. Send me one. Don't send everybody one. Just kidding, man. But yeah, I'll check it out for sure. Another modification I made to Nick's 8S. He's got these Gens Ace like 8600 packs that are kind of long, but they're hard packs, and they're 3S, but they're 130C. Compared to what he's running in that thing, stock Spectrum packs, I set it up to run 2 of those, extended the battery trays. I'll run a lot longer and probably have a lot more power. I would imagine.
Video suggests that a mean-looking dude is going to fire a flamethrower at you. You can hold back the flames with a fire extinguisher. Apparently, the cloud of CO2.
Oh, that's just that shit-ass servo I got. Yeah, that's that cheapo Amazon $40 one I bought. Cheapest one I had to replace it with, so I don't want to go drop it in the new Savox out in this thing. Yeah. Yeah, that whole thing's wiggling around. Piece of crap. There we go.
It certainly put out Jamie's fire.
That's ready to go. Except for tires, wheels, and shit, and nuts.
It seems my effective distance is really about this distance, not at the full 22.
Yeah, it's interesting. It seems like there has to be absolutely complete coverage of the CO2.
All right.
The thermal imaging camera backs up. Oh, the CO2 only becomes truly effective from spray. That's why. Because a liquid, I believe, it can contact a full-size flamethrower 25 feet away.
Well, there's one. There's two.
Confirms the poor result.
There's three.
Okay, I've got to push the flame back.
So even. Yep. 3/4. There we go. Even stealing two out of here, we still got two left over for spares. So we still have spare nuts. I always need spare nuts in case you got to deal with an extra load.
Even with our small scale flame, or relatively anemic flame, the atoms have to be pretty much right on with our extinguisher.
So that's that. So all we got left to do is the Creighton. And then go through the, the GT I need to wire in a new receiver once I get a receiver pack, which will be Friday. Shit, man. Looks like it might be done for now. Well, no, I mean the Creighton's a big thing. I gotta go through that proper. I'm gonna tear that thing down. I guess I could start it real quick. I'm not gonna finish it tonight though, because I'm kind of tired. Well, actually, I need to finish these whole side projects with this wiring and shit. And the seal on the other thing. Yeah, I think we'll just call this a short night and freaking get on to the rest of it tomorrow. Plus, it's raining and there's a skate park nearby. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna shred the skate park. So, tomorrow night, same bad time, same bad channel.
And with a few modifications, we'll see if I can get that crush rate extending out almost 25 feet.
While Adam looks to beef up his blast, Jamie invites his inner pyromaniac to the party by making a military-grade flamethrower. My task now is to make an honest-to-goodness flamethrower. That's going to be the manifold, and given that we're using high pressures, flammable fluids, and
All right, buddy.
I need to make sure that
Well, I guess I'll talk to you later. Oh, there you are.
we're going to use these
Okay. Yeah, we'll do, buddy. Talk to you soon.
So given that we're only going to
Later.
hundreds of PSI in them, I figure that it'll be plenty safe for us. The air tanks will contain the fuel. But as for the details on the rest, well, we can't show you that. Seriously, this thing right here is an elite of its own. It's 100% built